chairman ODM Kisii County. There are the National Governing Council to a call. One to a call to a format late. Lakini zote abantu bausiga na mobambo tukone baki maambia unatua ruete notice amaandamano na karororo na anda bantu itu bana toiwana nete enganje toiwana nete bana toiwana nete litu akwanete na ututa ite mukora maandamano na litu toiwana nete enganje tu abatebeti mogenda seino mo beroro mo plani tokora maandamano lakini it's very important amaandamano ave peaceful. Because we have to make sure that everybody will be protected. I want to be protected. Lakini to send a message here, nenga, sisi yayo agende. Ayu kotini. Abu atuero kotini. Aba arrested. Wasebe ayi report ya rubieka. Biba akonya kusumbua abantu kaiga. Tuaremere boire mono. Mogavana ta konya kuchongeri wengeje kabiriria. We don't want to hear yente kabiriria. So amanamano oyoji goteba ngokana amanamano into tuarangere ti amanamano na into tara koreki duranya pineni. Thank you so much. Secretary.
Yes, my name is Alevan Sundaron Tegi. I'm the ODM Vice Chair, Kisii County. We are here after our National Governing Council meeting. We want to inform our supporters, our ODM supporters in Kisii County, that tomorrow there will be demonstrations in all our 9 sub-counties. The defiance from the police is unlawful. We are allowed to demonstrate so that our governor will be respected, and that lady, that CCI, must be arrested and taken to court. Thank you so much. Let my Secretary General finish.
2, 3.
Thank you. My name is Seto Kindo, the Secretary General, ODM Kisii County. As already communicated to our dear members and all the officials concerned, our demonstrations are still on. Let it be clear that a communication has been made by the ODM officials of Kisii County, and that is a Kisii County government, which is an ODM government. We have an equal share with the national government. So our members, tomorrow we are meeting in large numbers for demonstration. Karibu nyote.